Hello, everyone. Say hi, Maddie. You good girl, huh? Ain't the good girls. And Maddie's sporting her little carrot in her head for Easter tomorrow. Thought I'd give you a little video. The puppies are 1 week old. And this is Alexa and Charlie and Lexi and Captain Jack and Christy Lee. I thought I would show you how they're growing. We'll start with cutie patootie here. Alexa is black and white with a black nose. Look at her lips and her nose are coming in now. Her paws, where they are pink right now, her paw pads will be black. But she is a beautiful black and white puppy. She's going to look like her daddy, black and white. Give puppy kisses. Oh, puppy kisses. Good girl. Ooh. Did you like your dinner there, Maddie? All right, Charlie. Charlie's our other black and white puppy, although much bigger. He's got a chubby belly because he just came off breast. Charlie's got a black nose. Charlie will have black pads. And his lips haven't completely come in yet, but all his pink lips will be black. And that's chubby Charlie, huh? Only because he's got a big belly right now. It's not really that chubby. This is Lexi. Lexi has a black nose. So she'll have black lips, black around her eyes, black puppy pads. She is probably going to be like a gold in color. I'm looking up by her bottom because a lot of times, one-handed is just not good. A lot of times, see how light she is underneath? She's going to end up being light, lighter. She's going to lighten up until almost a gold or in color. So she'll be golden white. Let's see here. We haven't done. Oh, I'm sorry, Christy. Christy Lee. Christy Lee is our lightest of our kiddos. Christy Lee's nose is just barely coming in. She's got a milk mountain mustache there. Milk chin. She's going to be liver. Yeah, I think she's going to be liver. And so liver and white, possibly. Christy Lee. She's going to probably look a lot like Maddie. Liver and white. And our mysterious little girl. Oh, Captain Jack. Oh, Captain Jack. He's the mysterious one. See how dark he is. He's obviously not black. But he, I believe, has, and I'm looking closer in the light, I believe he has a liver nose coming in. And it's hard to tell there, but I think his nose is going to be liver. And if that is the case, he's going to be liver and white on his papers. But he is dark by his bottom. He's dark by his bottom. So Ernie and Maddie have already had 2 chocolate and white chocolate livers, which means that they're going to be more like a milk chocolate, darker than Maddie, like Scout and Tucker from the last puppies that we had with them. That they had 8 puppies, and 2 of the boys remained a darker liver, and they call that chocolate. So chocolate and white. So he's going to be a little special. That's my guess. Did we get everybody? Did Christy? Did Lexi? Yeah, did Lexi, right? I showed you that her black nose is coming in. Yep. So that's us for today. This coming week, at some point, ours are going to start opening. And Matt's. Their eyes will open and the fun will start beginning, because then they'll start playing with toys. Even before they can walk. I have seen puppies actually pick up toys with their mouths. So we'll see what happens this week. I'm going to go get the other girls that are outside. Bye for now, hon, Maddie. Say bye for now.